In front of me is DOOGEE 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. And if you never used it before, select Continue and Allow in the pop-ups. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean. Finally, you can click on Clean under Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. Don't worry, it won't delete any photos or apps, only junk files you can't even see. So when I tap, I can see that storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!